This is Charlie. Charlie is supposed to be napping. Charlie decided it was too much fun to be in the swing. Nap. Oh, Charlie. We tried laying him down to sleep, and he picked his little head up. So we put him in a swing without his toys. And he was fired up. So we decided to embrace it and play with toys. Hey, Charlie. We'll do a little zoom on his little peanut head. Hi, Charlie. Hi. Hello. I know you're so excited. Hi, Charlie. Yeah. Okay, Charlie. You're a goofy one. Have fun playing. We'll see you later. November 20th, 2010. Charlie's almost 15 weeks old. Bye, Charlie!